We now go to set relations. Number 1, equal sets. Two sets are equal if they have exactly the same elements. For example, let A be the set containing 1, 2, 3, B containing 2, 1, 3, and finally C, which contains 1 and 2. Question, are A and B equal? As we can see, the elements of A are also the elements of B. In a set, the order of the elements does not matter. So the answer is yes. Next, are A and C equal? As we can see, 3 is not included in set C. And the answer is no. For the last one, is A equal to itself? Of course, the answer is yes. Number 2, equivalent sets. Two sets are equivalent if they are in one-to-one correspondence. So that means you can pair the element of one set to the other without leftover on either side. For example, let A be the set containing 1, 2, 3, B with elements A, B, and C, and capital C be the set containing January, February, March, and April. Are A and B equivalent? You can actually pair 1 with A on the other set, 2 with B, and 3 with C. Note that in the pairing, there is no leftover. And also, the number of elements of A is the same as the number of elements of B. Therefore, the answer is yes. Are A and C equivalent? Let's try to pair the elements. 1 is paired to January, and then 2, and then 3. But we have leftover, and therefore, the answer is no. Number 3, subset. A is a subset of B written in this manner if each element of A is also an element of B. In this case, we also say that B is a superset of A. For example, is A a subset of B? The elements of A are 1, 2, and 3. These are all present in set B. So the answer is yes. Is B a subset of C? Note that there are elements of B which are not elements of C. So the answer is no. Is A a subset of itself? Of course, the answer is yes. Proper subset. If A is a subset of B, but A and B are not equal, then A is a proper subset of B. In this case, we write in this manner. This is the example. Is A a proper subset of B? The answer is yes. In the first place, A is a subset of B, and A and B are not equal. Is A a proper subset of itself? The answer is no, since A is of course equal to itself.